Hello, kids! My name is Bunny. Today, we will learn colors together. Now let's learn. This apple is red. Repeat after me. Red, red, red. This ball is blue. Repeat after me. Blue, blue, blue. This leaf is green. Repeat after me. Green, green, green. This banana is yellow. Repeat after me. Yellow, yellow. This snow is white. Repeat after me. White, white, white. This orange is orange. Repeat after me. Orange, orange, orange. This star is purple. Repeat after me. Purple, purple, purple. This flower is pink. Repeat after me. Pink, pink, pink. This cat is black. Repeat after me. Black, black, black. This cloud is gray. Repeat after me. Gray, gray, gray. This bear is brown. Repeat after me. Brown, brown, brown. Great job, kids! You learned many colors today. See you next time. Bye-bye.